Hey everyone, I'm Matt from ASM International, and as the world's trusted agnostic nonprofit source of materials information and data, ASM is thrilled to be bringing these state-of-the-art simulation and analytical tools from DANTE Solutions to the market. ASM Data Ecosystem lowers the barriers to entry for adopting advanced analytics, resulting in improved performance, better and faster materials and engineering innovation, and increased digital accessibility to the engineering and manufacturing communities. This quick use case is going to highlight how DANTE's utility tools can elevate your skills for Industry 4.0.
You've been low pressure carburizing a 9310 part for a long time, and you already have a recipe that consistently meets the 0.35 carbon target at 0.7 millimeter depth, which is equivalent to 50 Rockwell C for this grade. Your customer wants to increase that case depth requirement from 0.7 to 0.9 millimeters while keeping the same surface carbon. You don't want to guess and check to create the new recipe. You want to know what the new recipe needs to be. Fortunately, you have DANTE VCarb software. A snapshot of your current recipe for your part and material was created using the prediction feature, shown in this graphic user interface. Here you can see the carbon profile hitting the required 0.35% carbon at 0.7 millimeters depth. The original recipe takes a little over 3 hours, using 13 boost diffuse cycles. Now that we already have the current recipe in VCarb, designing the new recipe is a snap using the process design feature. We set the new case depth target to 0.9 millimeters, and the VCarb software calculates the new recipe. Once VCarb is finished, we learn that the new recipe requires about 60% more cycle time and delivers the required carbon profile. The convenient DANTE GUI allows for side-by-side comparison of the original and new carburizing recipes, and both profiles meet their respective targets. DANTE VCarb software helps you solve your heat treat recipe challenges without guessing.
Thanks for watching this quick ASM Data Ecosystem product highlight. Please reach out for more information or to gain access.